In this session, let us learn about random numbers in NumPy. NumPy random. What is a random number? Random number does not mean a different number every time. Random means something that cannot be predicted logically. Pseudo-random and true random. Computers works on programs and programs are definitive set of instructions. So it means there must be some algorithm to generate a random number as well. If there is a program to generate random number, it can be predicted, thus it is not truly random. Random numbers generated through a generation algorithm are called pseudo-random. Can we make truly random numbers? Yes, in order to generate truly random numbers on our computers, we need to get the random data from some outside sources. This outside source is generally our keystrokes, mouse movements, data on network, etc. We do not need truly random numbers unless it is related to security. Example, encryption keys or the base of application is the randomness. Digital roulette wheels. In this tutorial, we will be using pseudo-random numbers. Generate random numbers. See example, NumPy offers the random module to work with the random numbers. Generate a random integer from 0 to 100. See, the result returns 21. Generate random float. The random module's rand method returns a random float between 0 and 1. See, generate a random float from 0 to 1. See, if we execute this code, the result returns this something. Generate random array. In NumPy, we work with arrays and you can use the two methods from the above examples to make random arrays. Integers. See, randint method takes a size parameter where you can specify the shape of an array. See, create 1D array containing 5 random integers from 0 to 100. See, by executing this code, the result returns this. Generate a 2D array with 3 rows, each row containing 5 random integers from 0 to 100. See, by executing this code, the result returns this. Floats. The rand method also allows you to specify the shape of the array. See, generate a 1D array containing 5 random floats. See, by executing random.rand5, the result returns this. Another example, generate 2D arrays with 3 rows, each row containing 5 random numbers. See, by 3 and 5. By executing this, the result returns this. Generate random number from array. The choice method allows you to generate a random value based on the array of values. The choice method takes an array as a parameter and randomly return one of the values. Example, return one of the values in an array. See, 3, 5, 7, 9. The result returns this 9. The choice method also allows you to return an array of values. Add a size parameter to specify the shape of the array. See, generate 2D array that consists of the values in the array parameter 3, 5, 7 and 9. See, by executing this code, the result returns this. Okay friends, this is the end of part 17 NumPy introduction. Okay friends, this is the end of part 17 NumPy random numbers. In next video, let us learn about another topic, random data distribution. Okay friends, this is the end of part 17 NumPy random numbers. In next video, let us learn about another topic, random data distribution. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.